6 Behavior Words and Phrases, Part 2. These are some of the words or phrases that you are likely to encounter when you are reading about birds or when you want to discuss or describe birds that you have seen in the field. Clumping is when birds in pairs or family groups huddle close together with their bodies touching. This normally occurs on a branch or in a nest, and it is usually during cold weather or at night. Some people refer to it as huddling. These teeny little bronze mannequins were clumping close together and sharing body warmth on an icy cold morning in midwinter. And these two Cape White-eyes were huddling close together while preening in the early morning sun in winter as well. Foot trembling is when waders or water birds disturb the bottom sediments under the water by moving their foot in small circles or to and fro. It can also be called foot stirring or sometimes called foot raking. Watch this little egret gently foot trembling in the mud. Each time it does that, it seems to disturb something and it quickly grabs it. Prey may also be attracted to the little egret's yellow feet in the water. And watch how successful this three-banded plover's foot trembling is. It gets prey almost every time it does that. See also how it alternates feet when it foot trembles. Hammerkops are well known for their foot trembling or foot stirring. This one is using the foot nearest to the bank to disturb prey that is hiding there. And this little white-fronted plover was foot trembling in very shallow water, but it was finding plenty of prey to eat. Filter feeding is when small food items are strained from the water or mud by forcing the water through the fine comb-like structures called lamellae on the sides of the bill. They allow the small food items into the mouth, but they prevent them from escaping. And look how this greater flamingo is using both of its feet to disturb prey, while it filter feeds with its specially adapted kinked bill. And these lesser flamingos were filter feeding in the very shallow water and mud. Beating is the bashing that prey items receive against branches, stones, and the ground after they have been caught. This fork-tailed drongo is bashing a honeybee against the branch to remove its stinger. And this white-fronted bee-eater bashes a honeybee against the wire before swallowing it. And this one beats the large citrus swallowtail butterfly against the branch to try and remove its large wings before it can swallow the body. And look at this tiny Pyrrhic batis male beating a caterpillar on the branch to try and soften it to make it easier to swallow. Bull snapping is when the bull is closed forcibly and rapidly to produce a loud snapping sound. It can be used as a contact sound or as a courtship display sound. Watch this male grey heron bull snap for the female. And this grey-headed bushrock makes loud bull snapping sounds like hedge clippers. Gleaning is a foraging technique where small birds grab invertebrates directly from foliage. This greater double-collared sunbird is gleaning insects off leaves in a large tree. And this tawny-flanked prinia is gleaning little insects off the reeds on a river bank. And this Cape white-eye is gleaning small white flies off the leaves of this tree. Have you seen part 1 in this series? If not, see the link under the caption of this video.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and post any comments you have down below.